Unlock the secrets to a healthier liver journey. Dive into the wonders of liver repair. From detox pathways to defatting tips, we've got your liver covered. Your liver's unsung hero status is about to change. Stay tuned for a transformation you won't want to miss.
The optimal journey.
You've had your rest, and now it's time to give your body some well-deserved attention. Picture this: the quiet months of the year, a pile of unread books, and a perfect time for internal housekeeping. Where should you start? Your liver, the silent powerhouse of your well-being. The liver, a marvel of multitasking, silently creates, destroys, and filters its way through life's challenges. It rarely complains, silently enduring even before you notice it functioning below par or accumulating unwanted fat. To show your liver some love, let's embark on a journey of detoxification and defatting, essential steps for a healthier you. Once upon a time, the liver's detox duties were manageable: recycling hormones, processing metabolites, and tackling the occasional alcohol overload. Then, the 20th century arrived, ushering in a wave of synthetic chemicals, challenging the liver like never before. Your liver, the hero of detox, might need a boost if you're experiencing chronic fatigue, frequent infections, mental fog, or hormonal imbalances, signs of toxic overload. The detox process unfolds in two phases. In phase 1, toxins, both natural and unnatural, are neutralized. Picture the cytochrome P450 enzyme group transforming fat-soluble substances into water-soluble ones. Antioxidants play a crucial role, assisting in dealing with free radicals. In phase 2, the conjugation or transformation phase, where substances are added to toxins, making them ready for excretion. Glutathione, the master antioxidant, steals the spotlight. Sourced from red meat, poultry, fish, and dairy. Methionine, cysteine, and sulfate provide additional support. As you complete phases 1 and 2, your liver gears up for elimination via bile, stool, urine, and sweat. Now that detox is underway, the focus shifts to defatting. Non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, poses long-term risks, leading to inflammation, hepatitis, and potentially cirrhosis. Alcohol, hepatitis C, and dietary sugar are culprits in fat accumulation. A healthy liver has minimal fat, but excess carbohydrates and sugary foods convert into fat, stored in the liver, muscles, and adipose tissue. Beware of fructose and high fructose corn syrup found in processed foods and sodas, major contributors to NAFLD, especially in children. Drinking one soda daily with 80 grams of fructose can produce twice as much fat in the liver as glucose, with effects lasting over 12 hours. NAFLD is closely linked to diabetes type 2, often preceded by metabolic syndrome. Abdominal fat accumulation, elevated triglycerides, and dysglycemia are signs. A low-carbohydrate diet becomes your ally, reducing metabolic syndrome and fatty liver. Say goodbye to added sugars and starchy carbs, embracing nutrient-dense meats, eggs, and fish. Oily fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, aids in reducing fat storage and improving overall health. Avoid seed oils rich in omega-6 fatty acids, which displace omega-3 fats. In the astonishing world of liver function, less is often more. A nutrient-rich diet and fewer carbohydrates are your liver's allies. As you embrace rest and recuperation, there's never a bad time to love your liver. Remember, a healthier liver means a healthier you. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to subscribe for more health insights. Share your thoughts in the comments. Do you or someone you know need liver repair? Your liver, your life, let's make it better together.